Oh, looks like we got another train coming. The do not turn sign is on. I think I was right for the whole time. This is part 2 of my video. Part 2 of my Kansas video. What number is this one? Oh, she's going fast. Okay, what number is this? 101. Oh, it's 106 again. 106. Starting 106. 106 and 105. Holy smokes! The second day in a row. 105 and 106. Awesome. Excuse me, my crew. I'll be for the crossing after we have to catch this. Trying to get a horn show. Come on, buddy, give me a horn show. Oh, good horn. Thank you. Okay, there goes Mount for Katati, and it ends at Sonoma County Airport. Wow. There's a smart right there. Time to catch a go-away shot of 105 and 106. Okay, Derek goes bound for Kitati in Sonoma County Airport. 943 Caleb, and I'm out.